Hi guys, welcome back. This time I'm featuring a watch that's inspired by a movie. I don't think I've ever featured this watch in this channel before. This build was completed back in 2021, so it's almost 4 years old. And yes, I did say it's inspired by a movie. Specifically, Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. Alright, so here's the watch. This is actually one of two watches. The other one is a Kylo Ren inspired watch. I don't have that anymore. I've sold that. So I've been wearing this watch for the better part of 2 weeks already. This is the 40mm submariner style case, stainless steel, solid case back. The bracelet has solid end links and solid links, and milled clasp with a retainer, sapphire crystal, a white ceramic Yachtmaster style bezel insert, a black dial, or more of like a charcoal black dial with crackle design, yellow handset, date only complication, sapphire crystal no cyclops, and of course a screw down crown at 3 o'clock. So the inspiration of this watch, of course, is the titular character of the movie, a Jedi named Rey. And this watch represents her being a full-fledged Jedi. The white ceramic bezel insert represents her affinity to the light side of the Force. The black dial with the white crackle design is reminiscent of her lightning powers. Alright, the handset is yellow. It's yellow because at the end of the movie, Rey Skywalker's lightsaber is colored yellow. And that's the inspiration for the handset. So yes, this is a Star Wars inspired watch build, completed on September 11, 2021. So this is of course sized for my 6 1/4 inch wrist, and while it's hefty because of the solid linked bracelet, I mean it wears comfortably enough for me at least. Okay, let's put it on my wrist so we can see. So there's a bit of a problem with this clasp. It has a protruding thing at this side that prevents this retaining clip from closing totally. So I have to push it down a little bit. And anyway, here it is on my 6 1/4 inch wrist. Again, it's quite hefty because of the solid end link bracelet. There is one problem with this watch that I didn't realize when I built it back then. If you notice, there are no minute markers. Yep, so there are no seconds and minute indicators, just hour markers. So you could guesstimate the time, I guess. So it's probably 9:14. There's a Seiko branding on the dial. Yes, I would have loved that there was no Seiko branding on the dial. Unfortunately, when I bought the parts, and yes, I buy my parts online, there was nothing, I mean, there was no sterile version for this dial, so I just bit the bullet and just, you know, went ahead and built it. Anyway, that aside, I think it's a great watch. Oh, it's powered by an NH36. Yes, the NH36 has a day wheel, but well, because the dial only has a cutout for the date, that's the only thing we can see. Okay, it's oh, did I mention sapphire crystal? Yes, sapphire crystal, no cyclops. I'm not a fan of the cyclops. Oh, by the way, the bracelet has polished mid links. Due to it being a polished case, it is a fingerprint magnet. The bezel is of course pretty much useless because it is a Yachtmaster style ceramic bezel, but you can barely see the markings. There, yeah, or probably you could see it like that at that angle, but if you're staring at it dead on, it's just white. But in any case, this is the Rey Skywalker inspired watch build. So if you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate it if you click the like button, leave a comment what you think about this watch. Even if you don't like it, come on, I would love to hear your ideas. So yeah, leave a comment and please subscribe. Once again, enjoy.